almost over and summer is almost there, and it's that time where our skin is kind of confused. Our skin needs some glow because of all the winter coldness and dryness. It needs some glow, and obviously we don't have time to spend for it. And that's when I came across Ikkai. I have with me today Ikkai's Berry Blush Face Souffle. Trying to switch to completely organic products and organic life and all of it. I'm very skeptical about products, like which to use, what to use, and what am I using, is it okay to use, are they organic and all of it. And let me tell you, Ikkai is a very organic product, and they have clearly mentioned of what all the ingredients are, and they're very open about it. They've also mentioned on how to use it very clearly, so that you are not like, oh my god, how to use it. So they've also mentioned it, so it's clear for you to use. So I'm going to be trying this berry blush today, and also they are preservative free, they're eco-friendly, and they have no chemicals in it, and they're cruelty free. So now let's try this on. So they've already mentioned here, but I'm just still saying, please cleanse your face before you use this, because it's more of like a face pack. So make sure your skin is very clean before you try anything. I've already washed my face, so I'm going to be applying it right now. So soft. But it's very like creamy like substance. It's not like, you know, the face pack like thick kind. It's very smooth. It's like butter on your face. Also, you are supposed to leave it for 10 minutes. It's very easy for you to wash it off or also wipe it off. So once after that, just pack it right. Now let's talk about the product. Yeah, after you applied it, your skin feels so soft and smooth. Don't feel any irritation, like at least I didn't feel any irritation or burning sensation or anything when I applied this. Gives you that quick 10 minutes skincare that your skin actually needs. Berries are very high antioxidants, so it also actually helps your skin to get rid of acne, those marks, and even pore reduction. Here you go, this can be your perfect to go skincare routine for a bright and glowing